Hi there, Diego from NutriAdmin here, and this is a quick video to show you a workaround on how to edit HTML fields in a questionnaire. So there's just a small glitch sometimes, but it has an easy workaround. So this is when you want to create an HTML field. So you would pick it from here, and sometimes you will click here on. You see how I click on any of these menus, and the content doesn't show. So if you just click on it, what happens sometimes when the page is too long is that you will get another scroll bar on the right, and you have to go all the way to the bottom, and you find it there. So the menus work. I just toggle bold, but you just have to scroll down there. And it doesn't always happen, but when it happens, that's the workaround. And until we fix it, given that this is a setting in the software that you shouldn't need to use very often, you may just be aware of this workaround. And once you use these menus in other parts of the software, they work fine. So it's just for editing questionnaires and notes. Hope this helps.